It's an electric water heater, and it's hiding under the sink. Well, first you have to open the doors to give you access. Then you remove the stuff. Makes it a little easier to get to the controls. Controls are very simple. Push it to the right, that's towards the outside, turns it off. To the left or to the inside, that turns it back on again. Temperature, I recommend leaving it, kind of like in the middle there where it says hot. Won't scald you, and it's hot enough to do some good.